In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Google. Now hit All Services. Scroll again and click on Autofill with Google here. Finally, you can tap on Google Password Manager. Now here's the biggest issue of Google Password Manager. If you never added a password before, in Accounts section at the bottom left corner, you won't see any of those options. That's because you need at least one to access at password one. To fix it though, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled and then log in into any app that requires an account. Wait for the pop-up to show. And when it does, select Save to add your password to Google Passwords Manager. Over here. Then you need to go back to your manager and finally hit Add Password at the top to add any password you wish manually. Now you can input site at the top or hit Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!